morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Another day, another video, another blessing together with Leia, Ruby, Hero, and May. Of course, Boo Boo, and yours truly. Well, guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Roads and Mel Vlog. Like and share, then i-click the notification bell so you are always updated. For this video, guys, Boo Boo, the pet of May, we're going to the office travel agency of Boo Boo na kung saan ipapa-inject si Boo Boo ng travel vaccine, then also the microchip. Ayan. Dahil si Boo Boo daw ay pupunta na ng US, Colorado. Bye-bye, Boo Boo. At hindi pwede kung walang microchip. At hindi rin pwede na kung saan ay walang travel vaccine. Ayan, para magkaroon siya ng name tag at number. At yun ang pagkakakikilanlan sa kanya. Kung sino may-ari, kung anong number niya, anong name niya. Ayan. Naku, Boo Boo, napaka-expensive mo ha. Bye-bye, Boo Boo. Bye, Boo Boo. Bye na, Boo Boo mo. Lululululu. Kawawa mang Boo Boo na yan. Aalisin na ng Filipinos. Oh my God. All my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so good. Every breath, oh, except parang mayroong nakabara dyan.